how to record Zoom meeting on laptop. So if you want to record a Zoom meeting in laptop, then first you need to open up your Zoom on your website or on your web or your application. Once you open it up, you just need to simply log in. Once you've logged in, from the home tab, you need to click on the settings or the gear icon, which will be on the top right under the profile avatar. So you just need to simply go with the gear shaped icon. Once you go with the gear shaped icon, you can go with the recording tab and select the folder to which you would like to save your recordings. So you can simply choose the destination. And once you've done that, now the step 4 is to set up your Zoom meeting or start your Zoom meeting as usual. Once you've started, then you just need to simply click on the record button, which will be on the right side of share screen. So this is the control bar. Under the control bar, you will get the record option. Simply, you'll see a recording message displayed in the upper left corner of your screen once you've clicked on record. You can pause or stop your recording by clicking the pause or stop icons displayed next to the recording message. When you're done recording, you should be able to find the recorded files in the location that you've chosen. You can also access past recordings in the Meetings tab, which you can navigate to from the home page. That's it. That's how you record a Zoom meeting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.